back.
Pretty little young thing, had a confidence, got me too excited. Yeah.
Hey everybody, it is the MyaK and I'm back on YouTube. Today we're going to be doing things a little bit differently to kick off this time on the channel. We're going to be doing a small, short, sweet, and to the point Q&A. I don't want to make this video too long, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first, my name is Mya. Age on April the 11th, I just turned 26. Yeah, so my birthday was 3 days ago on Monday. So we're getting close to the weekend, Easter weekend, Aries season. All hail the flyest ram. So birthday, I just told you guys that. I am originally from Greenville, South Carolina. Currently reside in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, for now. What do I do? So I work in IT, also in the technology field. I went to school for computer engineering, and then I changed my major to information systems engineering because JCSU curriculum was playing with me. So yeah, siblings, I am an only child. However, I do have a brother, you know, from my dad's side. All right, so we're gonna move into the next group of questions. What do you like to do for fun? Definitely shop. Let's be clear. I like to try new foods, new restaurants. I like to hang out. I like to try a good bar, you know, new spots. I like to travel, concerts.
I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Stop playing.
I really just like a good time, a good vibe. I like to try places and hang out in places that are aesthetically pleasing.
So, you know, baby girl can get busy with the pictures. Stop playing.
But no, for real, I like to try anything new, fun, like exciting. Yeah, that's what I like. This is a good question. So what motivates you? And I would definitely have to say my family. My dreams motivate me, things that I feel like I have seen in the near or far future. My mother motivates me. Basically, like, the motivation is just to create and make opportunities for my family, you know, definitely. So yeah, hopefully that answers that question. Next question. When do you feel like you're off your game? When I'm sitting around, I'm not being productive, I'm not earning any additional income, maybe like, you know, my business, I've been very slack about, you know, creating content or, you know, bringing in orders and clientele for my business. We're gonna take this time to do a small plug. Go follow Pretty Tech Co for all your business essential needs. We specialize in web development, graphic design, and we are slowly but surely including animation. Well, animation is here, but I have to post some content for, you know, clientele or prospects to see. But yeah, so if you need any logos or anything like that, any custom websites, we do custom code as well. Oh, wait, hold on. Right now, we're trying to make the conversion between the two platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and we're trying to convert those clients and clientele to Instagram. So, what's something most people may not know that you do or like to do? Let me think. Oh, I got it. So something that most people may not know that I do or like to do is paint. So, you know, your girl be getting her Picasso on. So, you know, I have several paintings that I've painted. Not all of them, but several, you know, a few that I've painted throughout my home. or in my apartment. Painting definitely is a way for me to express my creativity. How do you express your creativity? I express my creativity multiple ways. Number one, fashion. Like, I feel like creativity sometimes, or most of the time, is a part of like your feelings, your emotions. So, or whatever creativity that I'm feeling, is gonna definitely, you know, resonate through my dress. Mainly, I would say through fashion and painting. In a way, my business. So, like, you know, specializing in web development and graphic design. Even though, you know, it's more so tech related, but you know, you have to have a certain level of creativity to kind of, you know, come up with designs and concepts, mock-ups, product sketches and things like that. So, you know, your girl just a gem. Like, the next question, and of course this is from IG. It says, are you single? You in my business? Don't do that. But yes, I am single and I'm proud to be single. That's the game. See, little questions like this, can I take you out? Stop that. Stop. Because y'all don't even be knowing how to take nobody out. Like, excuse me? Y'all don't even be knowing. Y'all don't even be knowing. Ew. Okay. This is a good one. I kind of want to say things like the relationship questions and things like that for like a girl talk or get ready with me, but we will briefly kind of like, you know, go through them since they're here. Next question, why are you single? I am single because I choose to be single and because I want to be single. But no, in all seriousness, I'm single because the one moment that a man makes me feel a sense of like being underwhelmed. Yeah. Oh, on a brighter note, the next question says, what will your channel consist of? The channel is basically gonna consist of beauty, of course, lifestyle content, and vlogging are the majority of the components that is gonna be offered on the channel as far as content. Oh, this is a good question. Okay. What does turning 26 mean to you? Oh my gosh. And I basically my post that I posted on Instagram. Let me actually go to the post. 26, I put returning energy, loving those who love me, supporting those who support me, letting go of all trauma, and progressing forward. 26 is just all about me. Like, you have to go. Like, you have to go. Next question. Are you an introvert? I definitely am. Yeah, it's funny me being the only child. You know, I can be. But with the people I'm closest to, I don't mind seeing them and being with them every day. But there are moments where I will go ghost and I'll be like, y'all, I just need them. What is my favorite color? My favorite color is gray. What is my favorite food? What do I like to eat? If I could eat sushi every day, it would be sushi. Okay, next question. What is your favorite season? Fashion girl, fall, winter, you know. Fall, winter, me, please. Oh, this is a good question. Would you rather have an American accent or British accent? British. I want to be a Brit right now. Matter of fact, let's call one of my friends. If he answers, let's see. No, I'm not answering the phone. That's embarrassing. It sounds different here. Like 7 hours, I think. It's probably like 3 a.m. there. Hello, yeah. That's in the UK. What is the last thing that made you cry? I don't know. 26 is about progressing forward. So why would I think about the last thing that made me cry?
You know what?
I'm probably on Saturday at my dinner. I'm probably gonna cry because I turned 26. Somebody said, how many times have you cheated in a relationship? On that note, we're gonna go ahead and conclude the Q&A. Yeah, that's all the questions I want to take. I don't want the video to be too. Guys, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for supporting and tuning in.